hold up now, what the fuck is you thinking? Up in the club and you know we drinking. Shows on 10 and we steady keep banging. Y'all ain't ready for the pain we bringing. Switch it up quick cause the game be changing. Kick it on pivot then you know I keep swinging. As a matter of fact I'm planking. Sitting back in the time just banking. Homie, fuck is you thinking? Trying to take it all in cause I'm all in and I'm on it. Never spit lies, yeah I'm on this. Homie, eat it up, get it up like a bonus. Hold up, so it's a must, we come so heavy. Going too hard, might break that living. Try to chill out, but I'm just too ready. Yeah, gotta realize, gotta cut them ties. Cause everybody out here ain't your guy. You can get used like a good guitar and get boxed in like an old school ride. Nah, you don't want that. Better just chill, homie, just relax. Better be cool, listen to these facts. Cause the more he lives is about to snap. Yeah,
break it down and roll it up, and we can smoke till it's gone. I've been smoking since I was 12 years old, ho, I get stoned. If I fell and broke a leg, I probably have smoke in my bones. I get high as the fucking sky when I am, leave me alone. I love that Mary Jane, pass it to me, man, slowing down on them blunt tugs. Me, I'd rather be puffing on wax than look like peanut butter. Pack that pen up, let's get bit, bruh. I get high like no other. Every time you see my eyes, them shit's tight as a motherfucker. Lil' Wyte, don't be joking. I do both things, I don't just be smoking. Some nights on the right flight, I just might break out the white and get to coking. Living to the sea, we ain't bout no bull. I'm a cool little youngin' from the old school. Got a black Cadillac, my gal Italian. Right now I'm wildin' how I'm supposed to. Lil' Wyte.
GoodWill. I just wrote this on the spot. Hey, I'ma pull and make a drive. Yeah, 1700 for the pop. Eyes wide open like I popped another bob. Bitch, I'm rolling. The cops got a block round the clock, I'm patrolling. I get it dirt cheap on the low end, and I'm just warming up like a bullpen. You're hitting on my celly, I'ma keep it short. I'm a tax on a bag if I transport it. They hit me right back when they need more. On the go around my city in my two-door. I'm a doctor with this operation, making more in an hour than my occupation. Taking trips out of state, that's a paid vacation. I have enough money, I can tour the nation. I pack up my bags and I hit the road. Seems like every day I get a call to do another show. New York to Cali in the lobby of these hotels. I'm